guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a brand new March phone theme. It is free, it's a wallpaper, and I feel like you guys will really enjoy this. I did wear green in spirit of the month of March. It is my birthday month as well, so I have all these video ideas because I just have a lot of content because I want to share with you guys stuff that I get for my birthday, just like my birthday look, my birthday vibe, like my outfit, everything that I bought for like the party, and just like everything in general, as well as more phone themes. So, oh, also I did my nails, you guys. I've been trying to film this video on how to share how to do them at home because I did do these myself. These are my birthday nails. If you guys aren't following me, I also have a TikTok. If you guys want to look at that, I will leave all of that in the description bar down below. So make sure to keep up with my channel, new updates, turn on your post notifications. And then the lashes that I'm wearing right now are these lashes right here. These are Bliss lashes, and I absolutely love these. These are the most dramatic lashes because we are trying to be glam for this video. So if you guys want to check out my lash shop, then I will leave all the information down below in the description bar. If you guys want to check it out, support in any way that you can, whether it's purchasing or just a following. Now on with this video. Alright, so this is the name of the phone theme, and that is the creator. It is a free phone theme, so this is just the aesthetic that I want to create. I have shown this phone theme before, so make sure to check out my other videos on how I use this phone theme for the first time. I will be doing a different look with the different wallpapers, so I'll be showing you briefly, but I'll be focusing more on the vibe and the wallpaper. Alright, so here is the overlook of how the phone theme looks like. Like I said, I've shown this theme before, and I've created different phone theme looks, so check it out on my channel. But this is just like a quick overview, and now I'm going to apply the wallpapers. Alright, these are the two that I'll be using, and this is how they look. Oh gosh, so this one is so cute. You could definitely work well with this kind of like icons. I love how they're just like super cute, super retro. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty much a planet, galaxy type of look with hues of purple and pink. Here at the bottom we have clouds, and I feel like it just looks really put together. It looks really cute, really well. We got pops of pink up there. Calculator is pink. We also have the clock, which is just like very light, and then we have the phone, which is a super cute gradient of pink and purple. For our messaging, this is how the keyboard looks like. It just has the same gradient effect. Super pretty, super cute. And then as far as the lock screen, this is how the lock screen looks like. Look at this. Check it out, guys. So for this lock screen, I decided to go with more of a kawaii, cutesy feel. So it does say game over right there, and there's like a little milkshake, some hearts, a little pokeball, a cute little bear, some stars in the clouds. Just super cutesy stuff in the background, and I feel like it goes really well with this theme. I like the way that it looks, and I feel like it will look really nice with like a pastel pink case or a baby blue case, lavender color. So I really like this one, and I just love how it makes my phone feel nice and girly but cute. And it goes really well with just the overall vibes of this. So if you guys would like to check this out, I will leave everything down in the description bar. Make sure to check it out. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!